personally think New York, this beats it. It beats it. Istanbul is better than New York. I can't believe I'm saying it, but it is.
For touring, please next and Aisha. Oh, this is my beautiful, beautiful friend in Turkey. Her name is Aisha. You guys must be following her on the YouTube.
Yes.
She, all the way from America, I came and met Aisha. She took us to beautiful touring. Please, next time, go with her if you come to Turkey, please.
Thank you, thank you. We are having fun in Fatih area. We just ate the pide. Yeah, that's another type you see with eggs and it sounds similar, but and we have many other stuffs to make.
All this.
Yes, yes. I have the recipe if you have seen it.
No,
The
I
red
have not.
pepper. These are the eggplants.
Ah,
Yeah.
the small ones.
Yes.
This is the soap, right?
Yes,
Like,
yes.
The olive oil soap.
From different kinds, olives and others.
Anjum, see, this is the feta cheese.
Yeah, what is this?
For the cheese, they use this. So you mix it with cheese like this.
A lamb leg, yeah.
You make with lamb, okay? Right?
Lamb legs I make everything but not the head. I don't
Do
know
you
much.
make from the ishkembe too?
Yes, this all I make.
Okay.
The
So is it Aisha or Noor?
Aisha Nur.
Aisha
No,
Nur.
it's like two names, Aisha and Nur. Nur, you know, the light.
Right.
So Aisha Nur. We call
Her
her.
middle is Noor.
Mom's
My mom's name
Oh,
is Noor.
okay, beautiful.
Noor Jahan.
Okay, I personally think New York City is like the most beautiful city in the world. I mean, I've been to London, I've been to Paris. This beats it. It beats it. Yes, this Istanbul is better than New York. I can't believe I'm saying it, but it is.
So beautiful, Anjum.
Right.
Is this the blue mosque?
No,
one is.
that one is the Süleymaniye Mosque. We cannot see the blue mosque, it's behind. Yeah. That the area is where we eat the pide.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh.
See the Valens Aqueduct is there.
Yes,
And we
yes,
just
yes,
come
yes.
back from here. Yeah.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that bridge, Rahmi. Can you walk that bridge, Aisha?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
gonna walk it.
Yeah.
That's the Asian side. We're
Yeah.
on your side.
The groom's mother makes for the bride this pilau, and it is covered, so it means that now you are getting married, and whatever happens in the house stays in the house. Should stay in the house, okay? And there is like so inside the pilau there is if you want to feel, there are like spices, currants. Okay, the mumbar comes.
Take a big piece.
No, I did. Thank you. Back home, it's the dinner time. For a quick meal, I decided to make bulgur pilav with vermicelli pasta and chicken thighs. I have this two-sided sealed pan. It's a quick way to grill chickens, köftes or even fish. I marinated it with some tomato paste and seasonings. In the fridge, I had some zucchinis and eggplants waiting to be cooked, so I decided to grill them as well as a side dish.
The delicious fat and the sauce came out from the chicken thighs. I just drizzled over the bulgur pilau and it made it extra tasty. The lemonade I served is also homemade and I have the recipe on the channel. It's very easy to make. Make sure to check and try. Today I'm gonna meet with 2 of my followers. I'm excited. I was able to arrange a meeting. Normally I cannot come to the center so often, but here we are. Let's see. She's from Indonesia, Jakarta. Rima from Manchester, United Kingdom. Thank you so much. I'm happy to see you.
We're happy to see you, Aisha. You took the time out today.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thanks for sparing time for us. For me, it's really like a dream come true to meet you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm the one talking. They were talking a lot, but since the camera is on,
Yeah, but we do follow your vlogs and we have tried your recipes. I have learned a lot of Turkish cuisines from you.
I like the way you do all the Ottoman type style foods. A lot of the local Turkish, my relatives, friends, so they're not aware of your recipe. I know the Turkish food is very rich in the cuisine, but the Ottoman,
yes,
amazing. That's at another level.
we have rich cuisine and a lot more to show to the world. Inshallah, I try my best to do that.
Yeah, so many healthy options.
Yeah, that's
like
right.
fast food. For example, aubergine, there's
Yes.
so many recipes.
Yeah, more than 150 in Turkish cuisine. Yes, 150.
Since 2015, I am preparing Turkish cuisines at my home. Either it's a breakfast, lunch, or dinner. My whole family, we eat Turkish cuisine.
Oh, that's nice. I'm really happy to hear that. And she also says the rose jam is like the staple food, right?
Yes, rose jam is really important thing at my home. Now we are spreading on the ekmek, and my kids, they spread on the ice cream. Whenever they want to eat some dessert, they just put it on the top. It's not a cherry on the top, it's a rose jam on the top.
Right?
I'm preserving both. I'm making Pakistani food and Turkish food because I want my children. Obviously, they have both the cultures. And my daughter say, "You make Turkish food better than Turkish people."
Wow.
Pilau is special, it's a delicacy. But biryani, I don't know.
Do you use meat or chicken?
I find the chicken easier. Put the chicken on meat and then add tomatoes, fresh tomatoes and the culture. But the rice, you boil the rice, that has to be a certain level.
Yes.
In the Turkish culture as well. And there should be, my mother is an excellent cook. We were at a very unusual family meeting. We had
Sıcak yaz gününde bizi yalnız bırakmadığınız için teşekkür ederiz. Çok heyecanlıyız ve için. Bu projede YouTube ile birlikte sizleri burada ağırlamaktan çok memnunuz. Sheraton Otel'imiz 2019
Teşekkürler. Evet, güzel. Neyse. Yol uzak ama. It was such a nice day. First with my followers and then she's YouTube event. I hope you enjoyed too, my friends. Now I'm gonna take a bus and go back to Fatih to visit my relatives. I'm gonna end the vlog here. The Kasımpaşa Beyoğlu area is also nice. Probably I can make a vlog even here. The environment is very colorful and food. It's a nice area to visit. See you in the next episode. Bye.